Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was just filming a completely other video and it was a complete flop. I hated the look, so I literally just washed makeup off and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna still sit down and film something. So I thought I'd film my Boxycharm. It's something in here that I was really excited for. So yeah, let's just get into it. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box that is $21 a month. You always get like 4 to 5 full-size products in it. Link if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm in my description box. It is an affiliate link. You don't have to use it. If you want to sign up, you can just sign up at boxycharm.com. But if you use my affiliate link, then thank you so much. I appreciate it. Actually, I have one product in here that I'm going to try first. This is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. It retails for $16. We'll see how this works out because not everyone, I don't know, brow gel is a little weird. Sometimes you can get away with like universal brow pencils, but brow gels, that's a little, I don't know. This one's in the shade dark brown. It looks a little dark. I'm gonna try it first and see. I'm going in really lightly. Okay, it's not too dark. I am going like in with a super light hand though. I'm gonna fill it in a little bit more with brow pencil, but I actually think that filled it in pretty nicely. Like I use like tinted brow gels more on like when I'm just going to work or something. So I mean, I would just go to work like this, but since I'm doing like a full look, I'm gonna go in with like a brow pencil. I actually don't mind this color. It actually looks pretty good. I've been using the NYX Fill and Fluff brow pencil. I don't know, I really like it. So I'm just filling it in just a little bit. Go in with the spoolie. I still love the spoolie on the Hourglass pencil. It's just so good. So I'm just brushing that up, trying to like blend that in with the brow pencil. I mean the brow gel. So yeah, if you are going to use that brow gel, just make sure to go in really lightly. Like my brows look really dark. It's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up with concealer real quick. Then we'll move in to the next product, which I'm most excited for. My brows are real dark. I tried to clean up like underneath and even like around, and I still feel like they look thick and dark, so please ignore them. Next product is what I'm most excited for in this entire box, I think, and this is the Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna's palette. This retails for $32. I've actually wanted this palette for a really long time. Every time I go to Namie's, because they sell Dose of Colors at Namie's, I'm always like, should I pick it up? Should I not pick it up? I never did just because I had so many palettes like this, but now I'm kind of excited for it. So I think there was a variation of different Dose of Colors palettes, so this was the one that I got. I kind of wish I got the berry one, the more like red tone one, obviously, but I really like this one, especially right now for like fall. I think it's really pretty. So this is what the inside looks like, and it comes with a little brush. I can't remember if I've ever used Dose of Colors palettes before. I don't think I have. The only one I ever used was the Desi and Katie, their first palette, the little quad, and I did not like that one at all. So but I've heard really good things about these palettes in particular, so I'm really excited. So I think I'm just gonna go down the line. I might skip on the peachy shade, I don't know, we'll see, but I'm gonna start off with this one and then just go down the row. My eyes are already primed. I primed them with the Anastasia primer. Oh, these are really pigmented. It picked up a lot of product, so I'm just gonna do like a really blown out orangey smoky eye, I think, because there is like a really dark brown in here, so I want to do like something really smoky in the crease and blending up towards the brow. Yeah, these are really pigmented and it's blending out so nicely. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush and just blend out the edges. I'm gonna take the third shade, it's the more brown, and I'm gonna do the same thing, start packing that on, blending that up into the first shade, and just start blending those two together. Ooh, that's a really pretty brown. Taking this on the lid a little bit. I'm gonna go back with the first shade and just blend the two together. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with fourth shade in there. It's like the more rustier terracotta brown, a little bit darker, and start putting this on the lid and then blending that up into the other shades to really smoke this out, make it a little smoky. Yeah, these shadows are like super pigmented. They blend so nicely. I'm gonna go back with the clean brush to go around the edges. lastly, I'm going to go in with the last dark brown shade. I'm going to take the little brush in the palette, taking like the more fluffier side, and I'm putting this shade all over the lid. This dark brown is really nice. It's like a nice chocolatey brown. Back with the fourth shade to blend that out. Oh my god, I'm so sad. So I was like packing on the brown shade, the dark brown one, and you can see there's like a line. It's so weird now. Oh my god, I'm pissed because the look was looking so good. And now it's like, I don't know, I hate when shadows do that. They like oxidize or something, and like it's just like that harsh line, and it's starting to do it on this one. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm so mad. It looked so good. I don't know what happened. I go into the Whatever palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Ditching You, and I'm just gonna take this on top and hopefully just cover it up. So hopefully it'll just like distract from the shadow. I'm gonna go back with the shade we were using, blend the inner and outer part, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to like save this look right now, you guys. I'm trying to just like stamp it on there. That actually kind of saved the look. I'm gonna go back a little bit with the shimmer and just re-intensify that again. I went ahead and just did my foundation and stuff right now. So moving on to the lower lash line, we do have or like the waterline, we have a eyeliner in here. This is from Hollywood and Vine. Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This retails for $7. I've never heard of this brand before. This looks like a normal pencil black eyeliner. Seems pretty long. Is it just me, or is this like really long for an eyeliner? I don't know, but I don't normally like pencil eyeliners like this. I'm kind of dulling down the tip because I'm not trying to stab my eye. It looks really black though, so let's see. Oh yeah, it's actually really black. And it's not like dragging or anything. It's like super glidey. I just kind of got some down here. But it's like super glidey, really smooth. I think that's exactly what it said on the paper. Just really like glides on. It's really nice. And drag some along the top up here too. And I'm going to smudge that out. I'm actually going to take the brush from the palette and I'm just going to smudge this eyeliner out before it sets. It does seem like it sets really fast, but you do have some time to kind of finesse it. I'm just bringing that out a little bit. Did like a really thick smoky wing right here, but it's like really small, but it really adds just a little bit of smokiness there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. This eyeliner does set right away though. I'm gonna go over that with some of the brown to just soften it up a little bit. Also kind of dusted away some of that shimmer. I just didn't really want shimmer on there, but it kind of helped distract from that line or whatever. For the lower lash line, I am going to take that brown and also smudge that black liner out. There, I'm going to smoke that out with the fourth shade in the palette. And I'm going to bring this pretty far down. I just want it to be really smoky. I love to do this because I already look tired as it is, so I might as well just cover up my bags with eyeshadow. And I'm going to take that cream brush from earlier and just blend the edges out. So we actually have a mascara in here. This is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. It's vegan mascara, not only waterproof but does not flake or transfer. This duo wand applicator is designed to work with our formula by adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin. Ooh, okay, so one's for the top and one's for the bottom lashes. Oh, it's okay. It's a really tiny, thin mascara. And then the top one, okay, cute. And this retails for $19. So this gets like right up into your lashes too. I'm gonna put falsies on anyway, so I don't really care how top mascara is. Well, like, it's not like the greatest mascara ever, but it does definitely lengthen and volumize. So let's try the lower lash one. This one I'm really excited for. Oh yeah. Really like get in there. This reminds me of the Wet n Wild. I think it's just called like their skinny mascara. But it also has like the same wand. I like it. Definitely would use this. Mostly I probably would reach for it for my lower lash line. I went ahead and put on some lashes. These are the Rouge and Rogue Nirvana lashes. We have one product left. I haven't put on lips yet, but it's fine. So the last product we have in here is from Iconic London, and this is the Prep Set and Glow Spray. Retails for $29. And it says that you can use it before doing your makeup. It has light reflecting properties that leave the skin with an iconic glow. It could be used to set a finished look. I don't know if I would use this to set my makeup. I'm on like a really high matte mode right now. I'm not really using that much highlighter or anything anymore. I don't know why, but matte skin has just been like it for me. I also use it on like your face and body, so I would probably use this on my body more than anything. So let me spray like the back of my hand. Oh yeah, okay, it doesn't have the best mist. It definitely left a lot of like droplets on my hand. But it doesn't look as like shimmery as I thought it was going to be, but I would definitely not spray my face with this. Mom would probably actually really like this. She's like, I want to glow, 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 glow. I'm like, okay, here, you can have it. So I'll probably give that to her. So for my lips, this is not in the box, but I'm going to use the KKW and Kylie Cosmetics Double Trouble Liquid Lip. I haven't used this in a long time, but I felt like it would go good with this look. This is the finished look. I actually love how this turned out. I know we had some complications with the eyeshadow for a little bit, but all in all, I mean, I feel like the whole look is a vibe. It's definitely very fall right now. I love it. Definitely really smoky, really grungy, really blown out. I think it's so pretty. So if you guys are looking for like a really good fall tutorial, here you go. Add everything up in this box. This month's box was worth $103. Still a really good price since you only pay $21. I do feel like that's a little less than normal. I would say it's always around like $110, $115, $120. We had one like a couple months ago that was like $160. Was it like $160 or something like that? I don't know. It was a lot. Doesn't really matter. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. You're still only paying 21 bucks for it. I would say definitely my favorite thing in the box was the palette. Even though I did have a little bit of issues with that darker brown, I still think overall this look is bomb. I love it. Second thing actually was the black eyeliner. The black eyeliner is actually really good for a brand that I've never heard of, and it's only 7 bucks. It's a pretty good eyeliner. It's really black, and it was like really glidey, and it doesn't seem to be smudging. Like, it didn't seem like it was gonna smudge or anything. Like, it really did set. So I really liked that. Mascara duo I thought was really good too. I liked the skinny part for the lower lashes. The regular mascara was okay. It's not like anything revolutionary, but I do really like the smaller, thinner side for the lower lashes. Tinted brow gel, not my favorite. Maybe if like on an everyday basis, like if I just throw that on, it could definitely give me some color, so I did like that. If I took too much, it was definitely a little too dark, so I have to use like a really light hand with it. The spray, yeah, I'm gonna probably use this to my mom. It's not something that I personally would see myself using, but I know a lot of people love to glow and love those kind of like glowy mists and stuff like that, so you might like that. I personally, it's just not something that I really reach for. Overall, I still think it's a really good box. It's not my favorite box that we've had in a while, but I do like it. I'm really glad that we got the palette in here because I've been wanting this palette for a long time, so that makes me really happy. I love this look so much. You guys know how I feel about like smoky, blown out looks like this. They're my favorite. Leave me a comment down below if you guys got the same thing as me, or I know there was different variations of the Dose of Colors palette, so let me know down below what palette you got. Don't forget, I do have that link to sign up for Boxycharm if you guys want to in the description box down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.